Okay, people, here we are yet again for another weekly grocery haul and meal plan. We're here at Aldi, and if you guys are new, welcome, and please make sure to give this video a like and subscribe to my channel. It really does help me out. Now, if you're ready, I'm ready. Let's get shopping. Okay, here we are. We are back from Aldi. Don't mind my child screaming. We're back from Aldi, and I also stopped at Wegmans, as a regional grocery chain, for a couple things that I couldn't get at Aldi, so let's just get right into it. Starting over on this side, I got a bag of nuggets. I probably didn't need to get them this week, but I didn't want to run out. I usually give my son these if he doesn't like what we're eating for dinner. So, just to be safe, I also got a bag of the seasoned fries. I like their other fries. I haven't tried these seasoned fries yet, so I'm sure they're good. We'll give those a try. Also, Aldi this week has some chicken wings on sale. So they're about 4 pounds they were about $10 in my Aldi. So I grabbed a bag of these because chicken wings tend to get expensive, especially as of lately with the rising inflation prices. Like I get every week, I grabbed some of these seltzers. So I have some black cherry, I have key lime, berry, peach, and strawberry. I also have a bag of all-purpose flour because I'm low. I'm doing a lot of baking. We're getting into the fall season, guys, so get ready for that. I grabbed a box of the mini Bear Grams, the Teddy Grams. They're in like the little bags. These are good for my son to snack on. I got some bananas. We buy those every week. I also grabbed some jalapenos because we don't have any, and I'm going to cook with those. Tomatoes. I usually buy tomatoes every week as well. I grabbed the 12 grain bread. I use these to make my son's lunches. I really love their bread. They're really good prices at Aldi's. It's like $1.75. They have different kinds. I also grabbed another of these everything brioche buns. I got these last week, guys. These are awesome. If you haven't tried these yet, give these a shot. Moving on, I have some butter because, again, I'm baking. I am about to start my fall dessert series, so make sure you guys are subscribed to my channel. You don't want to miss it. Next week, I will be posting up an apple fritter recipe. Or, I'm sorry, it'll be the week after next. Next week, I'm posting a Halloween decorate with me. I got some American cheese and Parmesan cheese. I got these little packets of the single serving of tuna. This one's sweet and spicy. The other one's just plain tuna, and I like to eat these during the day for lunch. I grabbed a box of tricolor rotini because we're out of pasta, and I just like to keep some around. I found these this week. These are like, I don't even know what they call them, but they're those pretzel cracker hybrid things, and they're the Aldi brand, Clancy's. This is the bacon habanero flavor. They also had garlic parmesan. Keep a lookout for those. I grabbed some tortilla chips as well. I have a lot of leftover spinach, so I'm gonna be making a spinach artichoke dip. I grabbed some dry roasted peanuts. These are the honey roasted ones. They also have just regular and salted. A box of the dark roast cake cups. These are for my husband to take to work. Now this is something I've heard really good reviews on. I've never tried it myself, so I bit the bullet and I got it because, I don't know, never shop hungry, right? This is the cranberry almond chicken salad, and we're gonna give it a shot. Guys, let me know in the comments if you've tried this, and let me know if you like it. Also grab some eggs, just because we need more eggs. Again, lots of baking. Got the whole milk Greek yogurt. You can see it's kind of like starting to sweat a little bit, but I like to use this in place of sour cream in recipes and on tacos and things like that. I have a box of the tall kitchen bags. I've never tried this kind. I don't know, we'll give it a shot. Also have some more oil. Pickles, bread and butter pickles. I like those ones. And then just, you know, some more staple things over here. Peanut butter, this is the all natural peanut butter. You can see the oil separation. I prefer to buy the all natural. And we have raspberry preserves. Haven't tried the raspberry ones yet. I got apricot last time, but my son is really starting to like peanut butter and jelly, so I got that for him to try. Onion powder, another staple because we're getting low. Before I get to those, got some Great Northern beans. These are going to be in addition to a vegan chicken sandwich I'm going to make. Some pumpkin. Normally I roast my own pumpkin, but because it is so early in the year, I haven't bought any pumpkins yet. So for recipes, I'm going to be just using that to practice with. And then again, making spinach artichoke dip. So I grabbed this from Wegmans, as you can see, because Aldi doesn't have artichokes. Hey Aldi, if you're listening, why don't you start stocking some artichokes? That would be great. That and nutritional yeast I would love. Now this here, I found at Aldi, pepper jack filled pretzel bites. I love cheese filled pretzels, so I really couldn't resist. And they were only like, I think $1.99. But yeah, I'm going to try these because don't they just, they look so good to me. Yeah, I'm getting hungry. And waffles, I get these pretty often. Again, with the screaming. I get these pretty often for my son, as well as these squeezes. If you haven't tried these, try these guys for your kids. They have all different flavors, all different stages. They have some with the flax. And they have like certain ones with yogurt, and this one, you know, has kale and fruits and veggies and all that good stuff. Over here, I grabbed a creamer. This is the white chocolate mocha that I'm going to mix with a pumpkin spice cold brew that I made in my fridge. And we also have a case of water. And somebody's really angry over there today. Now, this is the stuff I got from Wegmans along with those artichokes. Nutritional yeast, I do like to use this on popcorn for the most part, but I'm also going to be adding this into a vegan chicken recipe that I'm going to make this week. If you haven't tried this on popcorn, guys, I really do recommend it. It is a healthier alternative, and there is a lot of protein per serving of nutritional yeast. Some Honeycrisp apples. These are something that, again, I normally get from a local farm, but just for the sake of convenience and recipes, I just grabbed a couple from Wegmans. For the most part, Wegmans does get their produce from local farms too when it's in season, so it's not all bad. And then some soy milk for my son. I found these. They're discontinuing these. These were in the Asian aisle at Wegmans, and they're just like gummies. They had strawberry and they had lychee, and they were 50% off, so I grabbed one because I've never tried lychee gummy candy and I thought they looked good. But that is it for today's grocery haul, and thank you guys so much. If you need a little bit of meal inspiration, stick around. I have my weekly meal plan coming for you right now. So for this week's weekly meal plan, on Monday, I'm going to be making savory waffles. I'm going to be doing them kind of low carb using some almond flour. And I'm going to put some leftover bacon I have in the freezer and some onion. Tuesday, I'm going to do soft tacos. I still have extra of those fajita shells from last week, and I have extra ground beef in my freezer as well. So we're going to do soft tacos. I only needed to buy some like the veggies for that. Wednesday, we're going to do just a simple pasta with sauce and Parmesan cheese. Thursday, I'm gonna do a Southwestern omelet. I have some extra peppers from last week, so I'm going to do that, use those, and whatever other veggies I have in my fridge. Friday, I'm gonna make seitan chicken with fries, and I'm probably do like a fried chicken sandwich type. If you don't know what seitan is vital wheat gluten, which is basically just the gluten, not a flour, and it is a vegan meat substitute. It's really very good. Maybe one of these days I'll make a video on how to make seitan. It's not that hard. Saturday, I'm gonna do some burgers and salad because like I said, I have leftover ground beef, so we're gonna use that up. And then Sunday, I have some leftover hot dogs as well in my freezer, and I'm gonna make it with some potato salad. So this week, it's very simple and easy for the most part. And I didn't really have to buy too many things. Most of the things I bought this week were staple ingredients. And that nutritional yeast will also be going in with when I make the seitan chicken. So I just want to thank you guys so much for watching this video, and please make sure to give it a like and subscribe to my channel. And Monday, I will be posting my first ever Halloween decorate with me. I am so excited, you guys, so please subscribe so you don't miss it. I'll see y'all later. Bye.